Jean, what's the hurry? I thought we agreed to meet them here.
There have been sightings of storm terror outside the city. Once we meet, we must...
Relax. I'll lend a hand when the time comes.
Jean, I brought them. And once it was over, I brought them straight here.
Mondstadt welcomes you, Windborn travelers. I am Jean, acting Grand Master of the Knights of Favonius. This is Lisa, our resident
Sadly, simply put, Mondstadt's elemental sphere. For a mage, it couldn't get much worse. My skin is one
We simply ask that you repose in Mondstadt while we help you seek out your sister.
Paimon will help too.
Good. In that case...
With Storm, Lisa has revealed...
Is that so?
They're located...
Our objective. I trust everyone understands.
Paimon doesn't.
Knights of Favonius. Time. The storm is ramp. All right.
From now on, the adventures will probably get more and more dangerous. We should make sure we're prepared. We could start by going to Mondstadt's blacksmith.